Hey there, heathens. Welcome back to Bad Tree Productions. On this episode, I'm going to install some new LED headlights on the family vehicle, our 07 Hemi Dodge Ram. A couple months ago, a company emailed me if we'd like to try a free sample of their headlights, and I said sure, I'd try them out. And they asked that we do a review about it and if we like it. So Auxito is how I've pronounced it, Auxito, global supplier for automotive LED lights. When they emailed me, they asked what vehicles we would need headlights for, and I said 67 Barracuda, 68 Dodge Dart, 73 Dodge Dart, 95 Ford F-250 or 350, Dodge Magnum RT, SRT 8300, and Dodge Ram. And they spit me back a set of Dodge Ram headlights. So let's go see what we're working with. So we're here in beautiful downtown McGregor, Iowa. You can see all the yellows. Let's go ahead and crack this sucker up and see what you get in it with it. The box is kind of heavy duty cardboard. Auxito product manual. They give you some nice little gloves, and here's the units right here. Bulbs, sweet gloves that are that big. What in the shit? They don't give you hardly any. So here's our factory job. I'm sure they send you these little gloves for handling this, but I didn't touch the bulb at all. So that's factory job. You know what? Let's throw a fancy glove on for this quick. Oh, Michael Jackson engaged. Hee hee. Putting bobs in. About the easiest vehicle we have if we wanted to install headlights. Snap. Oh. Get it on in there. Nice and flush, I think. No, not nice and flush. I'm having a hard time seeing with my fingers right now. No, it's not. It's cockeyed. Still cockeyed. There we go. There we go. That's in. You can just see it in there. Let's fire it up quick. Holy cow, you can see the difference during the day. That is an amazing amount of difference in the lumens. Wow. That is pretty damn slick.
What'd you get?
I put one in the driver's side. That's that Auxito company.
Oh, no shit.
Headlights.
Okay.
Months ago.
Yeah.
I got one in the driver's side and the factory one in the passenger side.
Oh, wow. Huh. Is it an LED or a...
Yeah, it's LED.
Sweet.
So I'm gonna wait until it gets dark. See what it looks like at night side by side and then swap it out.
Oh, then do the other one?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
Jeremy needs a pair of these for the Ford now.
Yeah, the ones in the Ford are pretty poor.
Yeah, you hear that? Send us another set for a 95 Ford F-350. Because this is perfect timing. Winter's coming up, gets dark earlier.
Yep.
There's high-speed road beef all over the sides of the roads our great state of Iowa. It'll be dark here soon. The sun's going down. We'll be back. Check it out. All right, it is kind of dark out. That's the moon right there. Can you see the difference? All right, J-Bo, it's so dark we can't see. Can you turn the headlights on, please? Oh my gosh, so bright.
That's really bright. Is that on high beam?
No, put it on high beam.
Oh no.
Well, now it's on high. A lot brighter. Yeah, I kind of like that.
I'll have to go drive it around, see what it looks like.
Yeah. Go around the block quick.
Oh, look how dark it is so now.
I know. You can't even see me on the camera anymore. Let's go for a spin around the block quick.
I'll let you back out a second, right?
What? What's that about? What the fuck?
What?
Did you see that?
They just flickered?
Yeah.
You know, I noticed when you turn them on high beam, they kind of delayed.
There, now they're back. Now they're gone.
Why? That's very strange.
Oh, I got fog lights to get me home.
You bet. What, is that you? Oh, okay. That's kind of crazy.
That's kind of silly. So there must be some kind of resistor or something that needs to go in line with it, or
That could be. Because like them LED tail lights that I got, they require a special flasher. Because they draw so little current or whatever that it wouldn't be enough to make the little spring in a regular flasher, you know, heat up and work, or
Right.
something like that.
well, you know, I mean, they fit good, and
Yeah.
I was pretty happy with them until,
Until we went to drive away.
you know.
with
Well,
no headlights.
now they'll know this though. When they sell headlights for a 07 Dodge,
Well, yeah.
they'll have to send a pigtail with their headlights.
Did you read the directions?
Yeah,
You
plug
did?
in and play.
Really? Okay.
There's not really any directions hardly at all.
Okay.
All right, well, that's going to do it for tonight's little product review video.
Yeah.
We'll swap in the factory originals tomorrow morning. All right, heathens. It's a few hours, it's actually a couple days later. Anyway, here's what they come in the bag. Here's what the part looks like. A little dongle. It's got your, oh, let's see. It's got your factory end and their bulb end. Anyway, I'm gonna go plug them in and we'll see how they illuminate. With my handy dandy flashlight, not being able to see worth the shit, I was able to get them attached. I'll have to find a zip strap or a self tapper for a good spot to mount that, but let's fire the truck up and see if they work while the truck's running. And no, I did not use my white fancy gloves to install those extra pieces. All right, let's fire it up. Hey! Oh, that's the brakes. Low beam. Well, now we can see. There we go. I should have had these on the entire time for filming outdoors that night with my GoPro. Anyway, that's the Auxito headlights. If you got a Dodge, you're gonna have to order the extra resistor so it'll coexist with the Ram wiring. But yeah, let's go for a little ride up the street up towards Pikes Peak and try the lows and the highs out. It's brighter initially than the factory bulbs, but that could be just because it's white light. Are they actually better on the road? It does make all the road signs. Does make all the road sides illuminate nicely. But yeah, there's just not a horrible difference between the I honestly think I probably see further out with the low beams, so I might never even have to switch. Switchless headlights. They're bright. I just don't know if they're any better, to be honest. Like that, like the 300 has HIDs in it. HID headlights in it. And it's got the resistor deals and shit in it. But that thing is, low beams are great, better than this. And when you put the high beams on, you can see 60 miles down the road. And these ain't that, I don't think. So, thanks for the set of headlights, Auxito, but I don't know. They're not good or they're not bad. Let's leave it at that. And they seem to be fine, I guess is what I could say. They're not jaw-dropping by any means. So yeah. Alright, well, that's gonna do it. That's my opinion. They're all right. They're neither great or bad. God dang it, stay in the light. Thanks for watching, and as always, good, bad, or ugly, leave us a comment. Give us a subscription if you're new to the channel. We'd like to have you around with the rest of us heathens. And, check out the Facebook page. That's gonna do it. Have a good one. Jeez, I'm getting worse at this YouTube thing.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight,